All right, we all know it's important to stay clean, right? Wipe down those high-touch areas with some of these sanitizing wipes every day. They're antiviral, antibacterial, you know the drill, right? But in this video, I'm going to show you some commonly missed high-touch areas. In other words, places that you wouldn't maybe think to clean. So everybody knows you got to wipe down, doorknobs, countertops, light switches, things like that. But have you wipe down this part, the actual button to your lamp or the switch to your lamp? How often have you sanitized that? Or your coffee pot handle? Yeah, maybe you wash it, right? But do you actually do the buttons as well? I mentioned light switches. Don't forget underneath the light switches. And how about this one? The top of your soap dispenser. When was the last time you cleaned that? Faucet handles? Probably self-explanatory. Probably get that one every once in a while. But the underside of and the top side of the toilet flusher. Now after sanitizing the bathroom, we're going to get a new one out. And have you sanitized your HVAC controls? Or how about your keyboard? Your device, your touch screen? These are pretty high touch areas. How about this? The nozzle to your kitchen faucet with the little button. And the outside. Yeah, you probably got the inside doorknobs and handles, but what about the outside ones? Have you gone outside and done this? And the old doorbell. Just some ideas for you to help you stay clean and safe. Thanks for being with me.